So these are the digs for our home base where we're gonna be at. So I'm just doing a walk around for our home base. Man, listen, you got an A1 on this. Let's go out front on the porch. So we are now in Texas. The digs look good. Scooby-Doo, how you doing? I'm waving to our neighbors with the palm trees. This is what our house looks like. Wait till we get to LA. We gotta go look for some property.
I want to look for some here.
You wanna look for property here?
And LA.
Okay. Look at our local police officers. You know we here in town. All right, here, let's walk through. 1749. Everybody else say what's up. I'm not going live. I'm just doing it. It'll never be live. I'm not going live. Just documenting for the movie. Sanchez. Got the fly fridge. So dope. Let's go back here. The wash and dry. Let's go outside to the yard. Man, this is out of control. Oh, let's go to the back. Henry doing his thing. Some kind of way. Let's go over here. Open this up. To the master bedroom. This is the room that I didn't want. I passed on it. I let somebody else have it. But to give you an idea how fly the place is we are in the closet. Let me go slow. You get dizzy watching this. But yeah, got the steam shower, white floors. You know what it is. Mother Nature tour. It's looking so good. Let's look at the backyard. It's a fly spot. This is how you do it when you go on tour. You get up, get your space ready, get your flat screens ready. Oh yeah, it's only getting better. That's right. Uh-oh. Pull out thing. The team is strong. They dazed out.
Y'all niggas flying, man.
Oh yeah. This is my digs. This is where I'll be. Fly room. I got my coats. I don't know why. I got shorts, headphones, turntables, flat screen, everything I need for me to be creative in a space to rock the mic. Let's go over here to the hug room. This is where some of the guys will be staying. They got a nice little setup. Let's look out front. Hey, there's a sprinter. So we're gonna have a good time here. The tour is still going.